Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and grabbing the installer. Open PowerShell and run Python version or pi-0p so you know the baseline. Once done, export your packages with pip freeze requirements. TXD, because reinstalling is faster than rebuilding later. Make sure to download the Windows x86-64 installer for the version you want. This avoids surprises. Don't install yet. Instead, verify you have admin rights and decide whether you need the installer for just for me or all users. This choice affects path and permissions. You now run the installer with administrator rights. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator so system changes succeed. When prompted, check Add Python to Path if you need Python in any terminal, and select Customize Installation to ensure pip, tcl/tk, and documentation are included. Once done, choose Install for all users if you want a system-wide binary, or pick Just for me when you lack admin rights. After installation finishes, open a new PowerShell window so path updates take effect before testing. You finish by verifying the install, open PowerShell and run Python version or pi-0p, then pip install a small package to confirm pip works. Next, recreate virtual environments with Python env, activate env \scripts \activate, then pip install R requirements. TXD so your projects run with the new interpreter. If something goes wrong, check path order and the Pi launcher configuration, and uninstall older Python installations if they conflict. A quick tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.